So in today's video, Joe's taking me to my first Red Sox game here in Boston, Massachusetts. Let's go Boston Red Sox. Sports. Yeah. We're going to a Red Sox game. Living in Massachusetts the past few years, finally going to a Red Sox game. I've been to the Bruins hockey game, Celtics, haven't done a Patriots game, don't know if I ever will, honestly. So yeah, I thought I would take you guys along with me, see if I can make a vlog out of this. We are on our way to Boston right now, getting caught into traffic, which is always a good time. We're currently on our way to meet two friends of ours, and we are meeting them at a restaurant. What's it called, babe?
Game On.
The restaurant's called Game On. Let me look at the menu, actually. I'm looking at the menu. Joe told me about that they have these nachos, but I guess some of the reviews said that it was fired, not fried, my bad. That they were too fired. So I might have to go light on the fireness. Salted pretzel. What? Only freaking 4 appetizers? Come on. You're literally called Game On, bro. Like, you should be having... What? Alright, let me see what else is on this menu. Wings, pizza, sandwiches, and paninis. Bro, people come to you for the sporting pregame, and you only got 4 appetizers? Alright, well, I'll let you guys know how the nachos are if I end up getting them. I'm gonna have to choose wisely since there's only 4 options. I'm back, so after I said goodbye, I was looking on the menu, okay? And I was looking to see what they have for drinks, and then I'm like, will I do the nachos as my meal or will I do it as my appetizer? And then I'm like, alright, let me see what they got for paninis and sandwiches. Alright, you guys ready? Turkey BLT, chicken pesto panini. That's it.
What? Really?
That is it. It's like,
man, they got burgers or anything?
well, they might. I don't think so. I'm just giving them a hard time. We are at Dylan's. I don't know if you can hear me, but we changed plans last minute. We just ordered our drinks. What did you get?
Mai Tai.
Mai Tai. I got a spicy margarita. Cheers. Finished dinner and our drinks. We're walking in Boston right now, going to the baseball field. Woo! Yay! Go Red Sox!
Okay.
Oh, right now? Oh boy. Run!
Yay, going.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go back around. Third time's the charm. Oh, I'm excited. No one else is? Hi guys, we're getting ready to do one of our favorite things here in Salem, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. We're doing the Tiki boat, and we love doing this. It's so much fun. So yeah, I'm just finishing getting ready. It's hot outside. I can barely fit in my summer jean shorts, so that's a good feeling. We're just gonna walk downtown, especially with the holiday weekend. We won't have to worry about like parking or anything like that. The owners who do it are Karen and Scott, and we adore them. So it'll be nice to see them and get out in the sun, I guess, if I have to. You guys talked about wanting to do more outfits, but this is not really anything exciting. I have my Tales from the Crypt shirt. This is actually Joe's shirt, but I begged him for it, and now it's my shirt. And then these shorts I got from American Eagle last summer. They ripped a little bit more like on the side, so it looks like I ripped them myself to be like, hey, look at my not so great Halloween tattoo, but that's cool. My checkered Vans, so yeah. So we watched Stranger Things. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Definitely like interesting parts, and then a little bit of it lagged for me personally, just a little bit here and there. Our friends are here. They're wearing jeans. Should I wear jeans? Because it will be a little bit colder by the ocean. Got her ready for the Tiki.
Guys, you want? You want? Oh, I like that one.
Just a $20 laptop here.
Clapton, you kind of look like fire extinguishers. One's right here, the other one's right around the post. My light check is over here. Like just all right.
I don't have my phone today, so everything's from memory.
Watch your step.
Yes.
Is that okay? And then Kate and
Mike.
Mike.
Harold overall.
We're on the Tiki, just ordered our drinks, and we're gonna go soon. Hi, Piper. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. This is Piper. She is the captain of the boat. Hi, sweet girl.